press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, today I am going to start a new chapter, solids, liquids and gases. Solids, liquids and gases. Okay. Main topics to be covering in this lesson are matter and different states of matter, what matter is made up of, and next one, the fact that states of matter are interchangeable, and last one, dissolving of solids in water. Dissolving of solids in water. See, these are the main topics to be covered in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. See, first we are going to know about matter and different states of matter. Okay, see. Yes, my dear students, you know, our world is very beautiful and wonderful also, because it consists many different things. But other planets, they contain some planets contain gases, and some planets contain dust, and some planets contains only rocks and the metals, isn't it? See, but the Earth only contains what? Many different things, and the life exists on the earth only. Its content will consist of many different beautiful things, isn't it? See, when we make these list, as okay, we just now I am going to make a list of small list of these things. Okay, see, first one. See, when you see in your surroundings, we see what? Keyboard, first one. Okay, I see some insects. As I am hearing vehicle sound, okay, bike, and then table, as someone is walking on veranda, so human beings. And see the chalk, okay, in front of mine, it's a main, that one is camera, isn't it? As see, in our surroundings and our school surroundings, there is a lot of trees are there, isn't it? Plants or trees, okay, and books. As I have book, we can see book, and see the water bottle, okay, this contain what? Water. See, in outside birds are flying, isn't it? See the birds, and we can see sand, soil. See, when we make the list of things which consist of in our earth, so it's a countless, isn't it? Now list ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕೌಂಟೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? See, in these things, some are natural and some are man-made, isn't it? See, some you already learned what are natural things, what are man-made things, isn't it? See, the natural things means things which are gifted by nature are called natural things, and things which are made by man are called man-made things, isn't it? Yes, in this list, some are natural, some are man-made things, isn't it? See, the insects are a natural thing, and then bike is man-made, board is man-made, table man-made, and human is a natural thing, and soil is also natural thing, isn't it? And then a chalk, camera, and then see chalk and camera is man-made thing. Okay, next plants is a natural thing, and then book is man-made thing, and water and birds, these are what? Natural things. See, in our surroundings some are natural, man-made. Okay, yes, when again we classify some are natural, living and non-living things also. As you know, living things means which they have life, they are called living things, and things which have no life, they are called non-living things. Living things means they have a life, process and activities are going in living things, isn't it? Say some are living things, that it is an insect, human, and then plants, and then birds. These are all the living things, and other board, bike, table, soil, chalk, camera, book, water. See, these are all non-living things. Okay. See, whatever, many things are there. See, these are all things are matter. See, water, these are all things are made up of what? Matter. Matter means what? See, matter is anything. Matter is anything that have some weight and it occupies a space. See, all these things, whatever man-made or a natural or a living or it may be a non-living things, all the things. See, we cannot see air. So, we cannot see carbon dioxide, we cannot see oxygen. See, they also have weight and space. They have some weight and they have occupy some space also. Isn't it? See, this is the property of the matter. See, this is the what? Properties. These are the main two properties of a matter. Whatever, it's a man-made or a natural or a living or a non-living, all the things, they have some weight and it occupies what? Space. Isn't it? See, this is the two main properties of matter. Okay, shall we take one example? See, the board matter and insects matter are very different. When we take the board weight, it's heavy, isn't it? But insects weight, it's a light. See, the board occupies many large space and insects occupies a small space. It's very different from these things, isn't it? Okay, now I am going to take one more example, that it is a plants and book. As you know, books comes from plants. We use plants to prepare what? Books, isn't it? See, when we take plants have weight, so they have a very weight things. And books, it's a lightweight, it's not that much of weight. So plants na tagondre, it's 50 kg, 100 kg weight is there. We cannot carry, so we cannot weight that one, but we can weight books. So it's 100 grams is that one. So books is 100 gram, so weight, and plants is some heavy weight. And plant occupies more space. Say plants occupies more space, but books occupies small space. So ee book em madutte small space na occupy madidre, but plants take more space. Okay, one more example. See, the elephants is a very heavy weight, isn't it? But the small pebble means sanna kallu, so it's a small pebble. So when we check the weight of this animal like an elephant and this pebble, so elephant weight is more and the pebble weight is less. And animal occupies more space when we compare to pebble. See, pebble ge compare madidre animal occupies, which one? Elephant occupies more space when we compare to what? Pebble. If you take the animal with one elephant, compare with the building. See, elephant na building ge compare madre, see, building occupies more space and they have more weight when we compare with the elephant. So elephant ge compare madre, building tumba weight ide, it occupies more space, but the elephant have a less weight compare with the building. Okay, and see, and they have a less weight. Okay, see whatever, see some microorganisms and germs we cannot see that germs and microorganisms also have a weight. It's a very small scale weight they have, very small, so we cannot see these things. Which one? Microbes and germs we cannot see, but they have a what? Some weight, and it occupies a space also. It's a very small scale, but we cannot see that things, but they have a weight and space. Okay, see the matter is anything. Okay, see they have two important properties, that it some have weights and some it occupies space. Okay, see what is matter made up of? See what is matter made up of? Okay, as you know, matter have two main properties, that it is some have weight and it occupies space. See, these are the main two properties of matter. Matter means they have some weight, okay, and it occupies space. Okay, yes, what is matter made up of? See, matter is made up of molecules. See, matter in molecule. Okay, see, all the matter in the world is made up of this molecule only. See, all the matter in the world, see whatever, when we take it's a big or a small, when we take germs and whatever it's gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, see all these matter is made up of molecules. Okay, see the molecules are very small and smallest particle. Okay, see the molecules are molecules is the smallest and simplest, smallest and simplest particle of matter. See, the all matter is made up of molecule. Okay, I agree. See, the molecules are a very simplest, smallest and simplest particle of a matter. Okay, see, we cannot see molecules, it's a very small. Okay, see, we cannot see the molecules with naked eyes, it's a very small thing. Okay, it's a very small particle. See, the molecules of different substances, the molecules of different substances different from one another. Okay, see, molecules of a particular matter are exactly alike. See, ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸಿ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ we cannot see it's because it's very smallest and simplest particle. Okay, see, but it's exactly like of a matter. So a matter na like tarane enagirutte ee molecules irutte. Okay, see the molecules between, so the molecules there are some space between molecules of the same substances. See, these spaces are called intermolecular spaces. What we call intermolecular spaces. Intermolecular spaces means what? See, what is matter made up of? Matter is made up of molecules. Molecules means it's the smallest and the simplest particle of matter. Okay? See next, intermolecular space. See, intermolecular space means some space between molecules of the same substance. See, these space are called what? Intermolecular space. What we call? Intermolecular space. What is intermolecular space? See, intermolecular space means some space between molecules of the same substance. See, these spaces are called what? Intermolecular space. See, all the matter is made up of molecules. Okay, I agree. See, the matter in different things have a different matter, isn't it? See, the molecules are very different from different matter. Okay, but the distance between molecules in the same substance is called intermolecules. See, the things are made up of molecules. Okay, see, for example, when we take this metal rod, see, the metal rod molecules are closely packed. See, for example, some molecules are closely packed and some molecules are freely and some molecules are loosely packed, and some molecules are freely moved in space, and some molecules are very closely packed. See, for example, this metal rod, see, the metal rod's molecules are very closely packed. So, very closely packed. But water, see, the water molecules are loosely packed. It's a moving, it's a less closely packed. See, the water molecules. See, the water molecules are less closely packed. But the metal rod molecules are closely packed, but the molecules of water is less closely packed. What about our surrounding air? See, our surrounding air contains many types of gases, isn't it? It contains carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, isn't it? See, the air contains molecules. They also contain molecules. Okay, the molecules in air, it's a loosely packed. The molecules of air is a loosely packed. See, whatever we can see the matter in our surroundings, we classified three main kinds. There are three states of matter in our surroundings. There are three states of matter in our surroundings. That it is, first one, three states of matter. There are solids, second one liquids, and third one gases. See, these are all the three. So in our surroundings we can see many different types of matter are there. So we classified three main states, that it is the solid, liquids and the gases. Okay. Yes, my dear students, in the next class we are going to discuss about molecules of solids, liquids and gases. As you know, the arrangement of molecules in the matter are very different. As when we compare to the solid things to liquids, the matter molecules are very different. It's sometimes the molecules are closely packed and sometimes it's less closely packed and sometimes it's loosely packed. So that's why we classify the matter in three states, that it is the solids, liquids and gaseous. Okay, my dear students, today we discussed about matter. What is matter made up of? So matter is made up of molecules. So matter is made up of molecules. So molecules is a very smallest and simplest particle of a substance. See, we cannot see with our naked eyes. Is see the space between molecules of a same substance. See, these spaces are called intermolecular space. See, intermolecular space means a space between. See, for example, take one substance. Yes, board ne tagolana. See this board. The arrangement of molecules in board. So molecules, board na molecules. Yav arrangement agitse like this. The molecules of the board arranged like this. The space between molecules. So illi space idella. See this space. So ನಾನು ಏನು ಚಾಪೀಸ್ ಇಂದ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, see this space is called what? Intermolecular space. See, what we call the difference space between two molecules of the same substance is called intermolecular space. Okay, the molecules arrangement in matter are in three states. We classify in the three states, that it is solids, liquids and gas. About these states of matter we will be discussing next class. Okay, thank you my dear students.